And today we are going to discuss a very important and a hot topic, which on request I'm sharing to you. So that is what it is all to talk about. And this is here, the weight loss. Who doesn't want a weight loss, right? Everybody wants it. And New Year resolution, people wants a weight loss. About me, I'm a pharmacologist and a former researcher. And you can definitely contact me on 8951824462. Now, we'll discuss about weight loss, but before I want to tell you something about proteins. People have wrong beliefs about protein. Protein make you fat, or protein is not required, not digestible. Maybe some of the proteins, but proteins are so much wonderful. They don't know. The plants have protein. It's not only animal protein. Animal protein is not easily digestible, but we provide plant protein, which has a lot of amino acids, and here it helps you how. With a high protein amount of your daily intake, you increase the level of appetite reducing hormone. So appetite goes on decrease and protein leads to the decline of the hunger hormone. So, so what is happening is you are reducing your carbs and fat and you are increasing your protein because one thing only that you can eat, right? You have to fill your belly. Carbs and fats are like stored, but carb is like going on increasing your fats later. Fat itself is increasing the fat, but protein is the best for the high metabolism that you want. It's a single important nutrient for weight loss and better looking body. So that's the key. Now, how you put protein into your diet. See, if you see that, if you check the thermic effect of the food, what is thermic effect? That after you eat, some calories are used for the purpose of digesting of the metabolism. So protein ends up in very less usable calories, it seems, because the thermic effect which protein provides is only, it's more, that is 20 to 30%, while compared to the carbs and the fat. So if the thermic effect is more, your calories are much of burnt, it seems. Protein requirement for a day is about 1 gram per kg of the body weight. So it's your choice. Eat, if you are 60 kg, eat 60 grams of this protein. How? With 11 eggs, with 50 bananas, potatoes, milk, and curd, and lots and of. The thing is, with protein, you'll get other calories and fat also with the nutrition what you're taking. But if you do a diet with a lot of proteins in it only and you supplement with a protein powder that we provide, it's all product totally of plant protein with organic farming and natural source, easy digestible, is very good for your infants also, because infant increases, what it does is increases the immunity and cognition for the infants, for the growth. For elders also it increases the strength. For teens and adults, of course, it increases the performance and lean muscle building. So what I say is protein is as of very much important, but we don't eat that much and we neglect it. So we give a weight regimen along with what we get the protein, like one meal you have to skip, and or you have to make it very less of the carbs and more of the protein so that your body start metabolizing. Only little exercise and there you go. So there is a hypnotherapy also for weight loss. See, one thing is very sure, you have to feel very good and you have to feel that, yeah, I am going to lose weight. So definitely will help you with. Only the eating will help you somewhat, but your mindset is so much important. When you daily see in your mirror, a new self-image comes up, and you should learn to feel relaxed and less of a stress. So that is what is hypnotherapy is about. And then you can work out a little bit and you can have changes in your diet also. So see, weight loss diets help you lose weight suddenly, but sudden weight lose is very, very bad. It's not good for your liver actually. So we go slowly and steadily, but I promise that it will help you definitely. And the thing is, if you lose weight with supplement like vitamins and minerals, then you don't get deficient. then inside your body the deficiency will not be there. Otherwise what will happen is you lost weight, but then you lose hair also later, because after weight loss you did a lot of dieting and you do not take care of your diet which was there. Actually, normally also what diet we require, more than that your body needs it. So that much vitamins and minerals are not going, and there you go by deficiencies, and there you go by big disease problems in later life. So these are some of the exercises, quick tips, like 10-15 minutes. If you do this and have, after doing this sort of small exercises, then you go for a protein shake, I can definitely show you that it'll do good results. So this is real life examples of our program, and see how wonderful changes. These are the real people. Okay, they are not celebrities, normal people like you and me, and they have improved their schedule and everything, and see how much they have lost with our program. And with the vitamins and minerals along, they don't feel tired. They are very much healthy. So with this, I will let you know that if you want any other suggestions and comments, tell me how and what else you want, you let me know, because weight loss was purely everybody wants it. I know it, and for sure we all love it. So this you follow it, and I'm sure you'll have a drastic change in your weight. Apart, you contact me, we do the health assessments, and then we suggest you best diet and the proteins and vitamins what you have to take it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Have a great happy new year.